Here is how you can convert a paper document to PDF on the iPhone. So let me explain the whole functionality behind it. And if this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Well, if you have like a physical document laying in front of you, you can use the scanning feature of the iPhone. You can find it inside of the Files app. It's the icon with the blue folder on it, which is the built-in file manager. And you can get inside, choose the location, but once you are somewhere, you can tap the three dots for more options and click on a scan document. This will activate the camera of your phone, and all you have to do is just to point your camera at the document. If there is like a clear border, meaning that you have a document laying on a desk and the background is like black, or there is like a distinct difference in the colors, then it will likely be recognized by the phone already, so you don't even have to like click shutter. But even if not, if you just click on capture the thing, right, you'll be able to see the document right there. The interesting part is that you can also adjust the corners if it doesn't scan it properly, right? So you can adjust the corners of the document, and that's how you can essentially just make sure you capture the whole thing. You click on done, you tap save, perhaps you can add some filter or some effect or whatever, but that's how you can basically turn a paper physical document into a PDF document on your phone, so it's stored directly in the files manager. So from here you can share it to email or place it, or I don't know, move it to an external storage if you connect it, whatever, right? So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to actually find it and make it work for yourself. Thanks a lot for watching and sticking till the end, and I'll catch you in the future videos as well.